Today we're going to talk about step 23 in your 28-point furnace tune-up and inspection. Step 23 is clean and clear combustion air vents. So there's three things that it takes to make fire. One is a fuel, something you can burn. Two is a way to ignite that fuel. Three is air around it to make it combust. We've got to have oxygen. Inside your furnace closet, your garage, or your attic, there's vents that allow air from outside to come in and give you that combustion air that's required. Furnaces require X amount of combustion air depending on the size of the equipment. So the bigger the equipment, the more combustion air. The smaller the equipment, the less combustion air. What we find in most homes, especially if the furnace is in an interior closet, is that the combustion air vent that's up in the ceiling has been covered over by attic insulation. Therefore, we're not getting the combustion air in that we need. We're only getting it from the lower vent. Then inside the equipment, you see it not combusting right, and you start to get your white ash, maybe overheating, tripping high fires, stuff like that. Not good for the equipment because we start to damage it internally. So when we come out and we do your tune-up, we're going to get in the attic and make sure that the combustion air vent's cleared. If it's a combustion air vent to the floor that's clogged up, we'll easily be able to clean that up. It's something that's so simple and minute, but means so much to the way the equipment runs. Not a lot of people ever think about that when they look inside the furnace closet and they see the spider webs and the dust and they go, oh, it's on, but they're not thinking, is it able to breathe? Is the fire able to have combustion? If we don't have the proper combustion, things don't work right. We get air-fuel mixtures off, and if you've ever driven a car with a carburetor, when the air-fuel mixture is off, it's just a waste of energy, waste of fuel, car doesn't run right. Same thing happens with your equipment. It's running off natural gas. It needs oxygen to combust. Super important. Get your maintenance done. Get that tune-up done. Get it taken care of. Be proactive. Get the tune-up. Super important to get it done every year on an annual basis. See you on the next video.